So what do we do when the limit goes to infinity or negative infinity? It really doesn't change anything. You do all the same things, all the same steps. I would enter, personally, it's a personal style again. I tend to put my functions in here. We have 4x minus sine of x divided by, and I'm going to show you, I'm making a mistake on purpose, 5x, enter. So now, it definitely does not look like it's supposed to. It's supposed to have 4x in the numerator. What happened is I forgot a parenthesis somewhere, and I did that on purpose so you could see. Oh, wait a minute. This should be a clue. Let me go up and grab it and see what it says. All right. Oh, I forgot a parenthesis around the numerator and a set around the denominator. So then I'm going to put, now if you were putting that in the home screen, you wouldn't catch that until you hit enter, and then you have to go back. And so I feel like sometimes this is a quicker way to just make sure that you enter things correctly. Now, obviously it's the same there, but when you have it in the limit vernacular, and eventually we're going to do integrals and also derivatives, there's a lot of commas, something else, comma, something else. So it gets messy really quick. So this is a good little method to use. So for me to edit it, I have to hit enter. I have to highlight it, hit enter, and then I'm going to use the arrow key. Okay, I'm going to need a parenthesis around there, and then use the arrow key to end the numerator. So I need another closing parenthesis there, and I need one around the denominator. That's what I forgot. Okay, so let's fix that. End parenthesis, enter. Oh yes, now it looks like it's supposed to. So then we're going to go to the home screen and find the limit. Again, you can grab I have a limit just now. I could go in and edit that if I wanted to. Just for practice, I'm going to go into the calculus, ask for a limit, choice number 3. And then I'm going to do I put it in y3. You could have deleted the other ones and put it in y1 again. So y3 of x, because I have to use function notation, don't forget. I want to find the limit of that from as x approaches. Now I need to approach negative infinity. So negative, and believe it or not, infinity is here. I'm just going to make this bigger. So here, my infinity symbol is right here above catalog in yellow, greenish, whatever color you want. So that means you hit the green button there, or yellow button, and infinity, and then you have toward infinity end parenthesis, and then enter. And you can see here it's approaching negative infinity of the function. All right, it's 4/5. Now try number 16. Number 16 will, let me move it over so you can see it a little bit better. So 16, it goes to 4, but the one thing I can already see, it's going to go to it's going to be a constant in the numerator, approaching 0 from both sides. So this is a D&E type, but I just wanted to have you put this in the calculator to see what it would look like if it happens to be a D&E, what your calculator says to you, okay? So I'm going to enter it just directly into without doing the y1, y2, y3, y4, just to try it a little bit differently this time. So it's going to be parentheses 4x minus 9, close the parenthesis for the numerator, divide, start parenthesis for the denominator, x minus 4, close the parenthesis for the denominator. All right, so there is the rational function, comma, then I have to say we're taking the limit from as x approaches, what was it, 4, end parenthesis, enter. It definitely looks right here on the left-hand side, or else I would have to change things. On the right-hand side, it says undefined. So it's telling you, okay, that it doesn't work there. So that's a D&E for that one.